Hello, friends! Today we will draw a dog's garden. I'll start drawing the dog's house.
Whisper secrets passing by. This little world is big to me, full of wonders, come and see. Hop and giggle, dance around, make believe on magic.
Let's draw the door. I will draw the chimney. Let's draw the sun.
Chalky roads and paper hats, sharing jokes with friends and cats, building castles in the sand, holding
I'll draw the bird.
This little world is big to me.
I'll draw the doggy now. I'll draw the dog's ears and the dog's head, nose and mouth. Now I will add the eyes. I'll draw the dog's legs and body. Let's draw the dog's tail. I will draw the tree. I will paint the roof of the dog's house with blue. I'll paint the dog's house with yellow. I will paint the sun with yellow. I will color the bird's body with yellow. I will color the bird's head with pink. I'll paint the chimney with yellow and brown. I'll paint the door with brown. I'll paint the tree's trunk with brown. I'll paint the tree with green. I'll color the dog's body with orange. the dog's head with brown. Good job, friends! You've learned how to draw and paint the dog's garden. Don't forget to subscribe for more.